I'm quitting UGC. You heard that right. But let me say this up front. I am quitting UGC, but I'm not quitting UGC entirely. I am pivoting, and I'll tell you why. It's in a way that you just might want to make the shift too, because I know some of you saw the title and was like, wait, I just got into UGC. Did I get into the wrong thing? No, you didn't. You made a smart decision because UGC is one of the best ways to get started as a creator, build confidence, and make money online with zero startup costs. But here's what nobody tells you. It's okay if it's not your final destination. You see, a lot of people are afraid to get into UGC, not because they can't do it, but because they're worried about getting locked into something that doesn't feel like them. They don't want to end up on a content creator hamster wheel. They don't want to fake enthusiasm over products that they really don't love. And they don't want to build a brand that looks good on paper, but feels draining in real life. If that's you, I want you to know you're not alone. You didn't miss the memo and you didn't make the wrong choice. Here's the truth. Everyone gets into UGC for different reasons. Some people want to become influencers. They light up when the doorbell rings and they get that PR package. They thrive doing beauty hauls, fashion try-ons, or maybe lifestyle content. And that is amazing. Others just got into UGC as a stepping stone. You may have used UGC to be strategic, to leverage not only brand deals, but to open up the door to create additional income. For me, UGC was never meant to be the end. It's a tool to build confidence on camera, to earn money independently, to learn how to create content that connects, sells, and builds trust. So after I became a more seasoned UGC creator, I gave myself an additional 6 months intentionally to pivot. So if you've ever felt out of place in the UGC algorithm or just in the UGC influencer type of life, like you're forcing yourself to love it, or you're comparing your excitement to other creators, or you just feel overworked and that you just traded one grind for another, that doesn't mean you're in the wrong space. It means you're ready to evolve. And if you decide to stay exactly where you are in UGC, it doesn't mean that you're being stagnant, because you can still do all of the deals that you'd like to do in UGC, as well as continue to grow passive income. That's the beauty of it. But I'm here to let you know it's okay, and you are allowed to feel like something doesn't fit. Use it as a launching pad. What if I told you UGC isn't just a niche, it's a skill set you can use to launch your own products, sell affiliate offers, build a personal brand, land consulting gigs, or just simply getting comfortable showing up. And for me, it was a launching pad into starting this YouTube channel and to evolving the digital products that I was already creating. UGC taught me how to pitch, how to edit videos, how to tell stories that convert, how to stay consistent, and to learn from criticisms and harsh feedback. And those are the exact same skills that I use to expand the digital products that I was offering, to land brand deals that I actually wanted, and grow on YouTube where I can create my content more on my own terms while still doing UGC. When it comes to UGC, now I'm choosing only products I actually love, have, or will use. Digital products where there's no shipping and no waiting, and I'm not tied to one location. And travel content. I'm so excited to dig into travel UGC. I can't wait to get into it. So if you're interested in seeing that journey, let me know and I'll make sure to include you. And lastly, I am doing UGC for products that support my values, my freedom, and my joy. And I want you to see that this is an option, not a rule, because your UGC business should fit your life, not the other way around. If you're trying to fit a square peg into a round hole, is that right? Yeah. If you're trying to fit a square peg into a round hole, you don't have to try that anymore. Okay, that was dumb. One of my top performing videos was about using AI to make $1,000 from one single digital product. That wasn't by accident. It's because UGC creators, content creators, entrepreneurs, and dreamers like you are looking to stop trading time for output and start building systems. So if you ever thought, how can I build this content hustle into something that makes me money while I sleep, while I'm doing more of the things that I love? You're not just asking the right question, you're asking the next question. I'm gonna help you answer it. The system that I used to help me evolve was the AI Content Creator Toolkit. I needed a way to create better, faster, and smarter, not harder, without location restrictions. Video scripts, social media captions, product ideas, emails, UGC pitch templates, and more, all customized to sound just like you, made for creators, not just the general public. I spent thousands of dollars on courses, templates, and trainings that I was able to include into the AI toolkit, saving you countless hours and dollars. A tool that I wish that I had when I became a content creator. Guess what? I didn't leave you out. You can try it for free right now by clicking the link below. And yes, I mean actually free, not just 3 tries. You get a full 60 credits. And after that, it's just $7 a month. It's like Claude, Gemini, and ChatGPT with a little bit of Poppy.ai combined for content creators. So if you want to create without the pressure of being perfect, join my 5-day content creator challenge. It's the motivation that you need because honestly, getting started isn't the hardest part. It's staying consistent. So make sure you click the link below to start the 5-day content creator challenge because I'll take consistency with peace over consistency with burnout any day. Let me give you something I wish I had sooner. Not every piece of content you make will be a deliverable. Some should be an asset. A deliverable ends when it's posted, when it's done, when you've delivered it. An asset keeps giving to drive sales, build trust, or grow your audience, even, of course, while you sleep. So here's a question to ask yourself every time you create a piece of content. Am I creating this for output or am I creating this for leverage? Once I shifted that mindset, everything changed. And let me give you an extra bonus. When you jump into the AI Content Creator Toolkit, you'll have access to the One Thought Multiplier. That means, yes, you can take one core idea and multiply it into a YouTube video title and outline, a carousel with a hook and a slide breakdown, or maybe an email sequence. It's up to you. I'm going to leave you with this prompt. The AI Content Toolkit makes it easy, but if you're using any other AI tool, you can use this prompt. Act as a digital marketing strategist. Take the core idea and turn it into a full multi-channel content plan and a digital offer that solves the pain point. You can use this prompt directly inside the tool, absolutely for free. Or you can use it in any of your favorite AI tools. I want you to have the support that I wish that I had when I got started. And I want you to have the consistency. Just remember, you don't grow faster by doing more. You grow smarter by building better. What if you already have enough content in your drafts, your phone notes, your voice memos, or even your Google Docs to build the next 90 days, your next passive income product? You just need a system to extract it. That's the game. That's what the top 1% of the creators are doing. Believe me, they're not creating more, they're creating intentionally. So if you've ever felt stuck or scattered or unsure where to go next, this is your moment to choose alignment over urgency. So drop a comment below and tell me what idea you've been having that deserves more attention. And if this gave you even one, I never thought about it that way moment, hit like and subscribe. Let's grow smart because if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's grow. If you like this video, you definitely got to check out the next video. Virtual mic drop.